Right, today we'll be doing a nice simple repair, the brake light switch. For this we're going to need to take off this side panel first, which will then give us access to take off the lower section of the dash here, to eventually find the switch up here. This is apparently a 5-minute job, but no doubt I'll take longer, because I'm just not that good. Alright, so first things first. See that there? Little catch right there. That's how you get this off. So you stick your screwdriver in, gently prise it off. Told you I'm not very good. I hate taking stuff apart. Alright, that's off. Nothing broken. That's good. Right, here you go. What you have here is you have this little 8mm bolt that needs to come out. Not too difficult, is it? You then have another bolt under here and a matching one on the other side. Remove these 3 bolts and it should just come out. I say should with all the confidence in the world. Who knows? Right, now you've got 3 bolts out. What you want to do is gently try and shake it off. But you need to be careful, because what you've got the cable connected to the lighting here in the footwell, but you've also got the cable connected to your OBD port. You do not want to be pulling these out. Like I said, just be careful. Right, so now you have the bottom of the dash off. There's the OBD port and the footwell lighting, like I said. Alright, so what you find is you've got 2 sensors up here. Now, the brake pedal is the one on the left, the brown one, indicated when you press the brake pedal, and you can actually see it moving just behind it. That's how you tell, in case you're unaware, but it is generally the left one. Alright, let's get it out. You've undone the plug bits, just normal pinch plug. You rotate this, we stick like this, 1/4 of a turn anti-clockwise, and it just pulls straight out. Nice and simple. Now you take your new one, and you just reverse the procedure, so 1/4 turn in, done. Plug that back in. It should be jobs are good 'un. Let's have a look. Alright, so the green one is in. Now we have to test to see if it works before you put it all back together. Because it'd be really annoying if you put it all back together and it didn't work. Fingers crossed. Alright, so now you've tested it and it works. Time to put all this back in. And there you have it. Just add the last final thing. It's not going to go one-handed, is it? Yes, it is. Job done. Now you can go out and enjoy your car without worrying about being pulled over. See you in the next video. I've been WGC Gav.